Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can scan for unknown trackers on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to do that, first we need to open the settings. Now we need to scroll down and find Google, and then let's go there. Here we need to change to all services, and then we need to go to personal safety. And here we can choose unknown tracker alerts. Now first we need to make sure that allow alerts are enabled. Then we need to also enable Bluetooth. So if it's not enabled, then you will see this message where you need to turn on Bluetooth. You can simply tap turn on and then confirm. And then we can scan for the trackers by pressing the scan now button. And now let's wait a couple of seconds. And there we go. Now we have the information if there are any trackers detected. In my case, there were none. And that's pretty much it. If you want to, you can also scan again by using the same button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!